Okay, someone on the Stable Diffusion Reddit asked me how I get the results for my realistic images in SDXL on ForgeUI. So we're just going to go over a quick overview. It's all pretty straightforward, generally speaking. So I'm in the SDXL tab, text to image. I've got my prompt here and my negative prompt. I've got my sampling method set to DPM++ 2M SDE, schedule type exponential, and I've got 30 sampling steps. Now, a lot of these options here can be changed if you're trying to achieve a slightly different result than me. These are not like absolutes that they have to be the exact things to get decent pictures. It's just what I use. I'm using high-res fix. I'm using this upscaler, the 8x MMKD superscale. I've got 10 high-res steps. I'm using a 0.4 denoising, and I am just upscaling by 1.4 right now. I have a high-res CFG scale of 5. I've got the sort of default width and height that the ForgeUI does for XL, but it's 896 by 1152. CFG scale of 5. And then I have a detailer, so you're going to want to get a detailer to be able to get the faces to look good. I have a video on a detailer as well. I'm just using a regular face model, or the first face model basically for this thing. And I'm just using the same prompt and negative prompt. There might be scenarios where I'd want to change it, but this is just for this example. All the other settings are default. I'm also using a second A detailer for the hands. This does not work nearly as good as the face A detailer, but it doesn't really hurt to use it because sometimes, well, most of the time your hands will not be super great. You can get slightly better hands with it. There are ways to get slightly better hands by tweaking stuff and things like that. But hands are definitely still a weak point for SDXL in general. This checkpoint I'm using does have a VE baked in, but you can use just the normal SDXL VE on top of that. Okay, that's pretty much it. I'll link the checkpoint and the upscaler in the description. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment with any questions you have. And if you could like and subscribe, that'd be really cool. Thanks.